Here we are at Allentown Office Park. Take a look at this place. This place is pretty cool. It's from what I can tell is the 80s. Look at this atrium. Wow. From the outside, this building looks like an older house. I'll show you. It's really interesting. Got some cool fire alarms. And what appears to be maybe a Montgomery? Ooh, Relay-Ctrl. Wow. Look at this thing. Wow, it smells of perfume in here. Look at these fixtures. All original. Great shape. 2,500 pound capacity. Here's your nameplate. Yeah, I can hear the relays. Do we have a phone? Wow. Okay. Yeah, here, we're gonna look at the cab real quick. This thing is cool. Nice and original, and in surprisingly really good shape. Alright, let's take this up to 2. Door close button almost works. We do have a one of those little electric eyes. We have this red fixture. The indicator works. You can hear the relays click. That's cool. That's neat. That works. We're gonna go for a few rides. This thing is a... Wow, look at these buttons. In great shape. Levels incredibly well going up to 2. We'll get off on 2 and get a little view. Nice. Yeah, this thing is well maintained. Props to these people. Yeah, check out this cool little... What a cool little place. From the outside, it looks like a really old, like, house. You know, it's got, like, the classic style windows. Look at this man-powered elevator. Alright, let's go back down. Wow. I love it. I think that's nice. Oh, the 2 illuminates, just barely. Oh. Whoops. Oh, these are buttons. That's my favorite. And they just make an indicator out of literally just buttons. That's awesome. Alright. We'll send it up to 2. I don't know where the machine room door is. Not over there. There it goes. Oh, right here. Nice. Well, let's go on outside. Check this place out. Look at these interesting doors. No windows on the door. Take a look at this place. Like, you would have no idea. This looks kind of like a house. It's very interesting. Well, we'll see you later.